Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session of Understanding Poverty, where we have learnt about the functioning of a public distribution system. That is, the fair price shops or the ration shops. And we learned that right to life, which involves even the right for food, is also a part of the right to life. Under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, envisages or gives the right guaranteed to the people of this country, that is right to life. And over a period of time, there was a large public campaign done by the civil liberties groups and many other groups also, which have filed petitions in the Supreme Court not to waste the food by getting it rotten in the godowns of the Food Corporation of India. Rather, they can be distributed to the poor people at a free of cost. So the right to food is a part of the right to life, what we have seen. They have sought that food grains at fair price shops should be available for all families irrespective of the cards. Yesterday I was talking to you about the BPL cards, white cards. BPL बोले तो क्या है जी? BPL mean below poverty line. APL means above poverty line. इसके अलावा भी दो और तरीके के कार्ड्स भी है. एक है अंत्योदय कार्ड. अंत्योदय कार्ड बोले तो बहुत गरीब लोग जो है उन लोगों को 35 kgs राइस दिलाने के लिए एक कार्ड देती है गवर्नमेंट. और हमारे तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश में जो है कार्ड्स अन्नपूर्णा कार्ड बोल के दिलाते हैं, उसके वजह से उन लोगों को फ्री राइस देते हैं. फ्री बोले तो अब जो है सब्सिडाइज्ड प्राइस 1 रुपये को किलो दे रही है, वो 1 रुपये पे करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. सो वैसी mechanism, वैसी what we call procedure has been laid out in order to ensure that right to life is implemented in the country. So Supreme Court has passed many ruling and continuous pressures from ordinary people have begun to make small but crucial changes to this working of PDS, which includes the working of the PDS. But still much more changes are required. Yesterday also I asked you what changes do you suggest in order to improve the public distribution system in the country as a part of our homework. So in this chapter we have read about the right to work, right to freedom, in the context of widespread persistence of hunger in India. Right to work, do you remember? Under MG Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which provides right to work for the people, and right to life or right to food is under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So these both, right to work and right to food, are absolutely essential to escape from hunger and poverty. Hunger and poverty are both are related, isn't it? When you are poor, you remain hunger for many days, you will starve. So in order to escape from poverty and lead a life of dignity, however, means much more. Not only providing food will make you to lead a dignified life, but you require many more things, and it includes health and education, shelter and clothing, water and sanitation, pollution free air, and energy and infrastructure, security and non-discrimination society, democratic participation. They need to participate in the democratic process. So these all economic and social rights are again part of the right to life. If it is thus can be expanded or understood that society has to work towards achieving all these things, and it cannot be done by a government alone. So even people participation is also required. For this reason, they have started a social audit system also. You know, children, whether the government programs are running properly, efficiently or not, in order to identify these, there are sometimes social auditing conducted. Auditing बोले तो हमारा इनकम कितना है, हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर कितना है बोल के जो CA चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट देखता, वो ऑडिटिंग है. मगर सोशल ऑडिटिंग बोले तो सोसाइटी में जाके जो प्रोग्राम इंप्लीमेंट हुआ वो सही तरीके से इंप्लीमेंट हुआ है कि नहीं देखने का जो प्रोसीजर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सोशल ऑडिट सिस्टम. द फाइंडिंग्स ऑफ द सोशल ऑडिट सिस्टम और टीम इन ईशापल्ली ऑफ निजामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन तेलंगाना in February 2009 has shown that whether ग्राम पंचायत को जो फंड आया था वो पूरी तरीके से प्रॉपरली यूटिलाइज कर लिए है कि नहीं देखने के लिए एक सोशल ऑडिट प्रोग्राम वाज कंडक्टेड देयर, and they have identified that the payments were made correctly only, and the field assistant had performed his function also well, and there were no contractors at the work site, but the quality of the work was poor. That is what they have found. And besides, it also found that plantation and plowing work has been done only in 5.6 acres, whereas measurement sheet of this work shows that प्लोइंग एंड प्लांटेशन वर्क हैज़ बीन डन इन 15 एकर्स. 15 एकड़ में करे बोल के लिखे, मगर 5-6 एकड़ में काम करे बोल के भी दे हैव फाउंड इट. एंड सो मनी हैज़ बीन पेड फॉर द एक्सेस ऑफ 9.4 एकर्स को ज़्यादा अमाउंट पे करे. और टोटल टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट राम मोहन was old technical assistant Ram Mohan was made responsible for that, and he was also suspended because of these findings. So like this, the social audit also can be conducted by the team of third party, through which you can understand what are the loopholes in the implementation of the government programs. Thank you, children.